Okay, so we're back with the ceiling and lights job here, project, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I got everything pretty well boxed in, attached, put up there. Went ahead and kind of sanded up my joints there a little bit to make them flush. Not that they were terribly far off, but once you paint those, it's really going to stick out. So I want to make sure that, especially those flat ones, the ones that are horizontal or parallel with the floor, that those were pretty flat. And these vertical ones, most of those are going to be all covered up with trim anyway. And let's see what else. Oh, I did get the wire pulled over. That was in the last video. Got the wire up there, over to here, and then opened up the wall and ran it down the wall, and boom, there you go. These are all the new wires we need to run the light and the fan and the can lights. This 2-wire right here is for the cans right there, and this 3-wire right here, that's for the light and the fan up there. So anyway, there's that. We'll have a little bit of sheetrock repair here, not a big deal, at least not for me. So what I'm going to start doing now is putting up the base cap, or this one piece of trim that sometimes is used as a base cap here. This piece right here, that's what we're using here. We're going to run this all the way around here. All those nail heads are going to be covered with the trim. So that shouldn't take me too long, I guess. So far in this project, all things included, I probably have, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours in what I've got here so far, working on and off on it. I haven't been at it real steady for, I don't know, a couple days, but anyway. So I got all this done here today, and didn't really take too long, but a little while. So anyway, that's it for this one, and next time you see this, we'll have all our crown molding and all our trim, our bottom piece of trim there, that'll all be installed, and I'll run the caulking gun around there, get everything caulked up, wiped down, and that will be ready for paint. Oh, one thing I wanted to point out, not that it matters to anyone out there, but look at that. We had a joist settle here. This is the outside wall. There's the outside looking out into the woods there. But this outside wall is framed, and then 24 inches out there is the first floor truss, and apparently that thing's got one heck of a bow in it, because everything else, if you look up along the top, all of these boards are real flush against the ceiling, all the way until you get right over here, and that's just a shadow up there. Don't think that's all cobbed up looking, but till you get over here, and then boom, I mean, that thing is down there about 3/4 of an inch, and I'm not sure what happened there, but the way I fixed that was just leveled across the bottom of that thing going across there, and then measured down my 7/8 setback there, and then cut that from that 7/8 mark to 0 on the table saw freehand, and which gave me that level bottom beam. I don't know if you can see that very well here. Gave me the level bottom beam, and that top is all going to be covered up with crown molding anyway. We'll have to be real careful when we throw that piece of crown up there that we sand it or cut it on the saw in kind of an arch to make sure that we're able to tidy that corner up, because that right there is that's jacked up. So anyway, we got that, and we're just about finished with this, and a couple more hours on the crown and the trim, and we'll have her done. So next time you see it, it'll be trimmed out.